Ilyapa 18-pack brushed nickel door hinges for doors, 3.5 x 3.5 inch interior satin nickel door hinges. Door hardware. Brushed nickel door hinges from office doors to hallway doors, bedrooms, bathroom doors, and more. Our interior door hinges each feature 6 holes and measure 3.5 inches x 3.5 inches. Features fully removable hinge pins. Design House 181,438-6. Hole 312 x 312, 58 radius door hinge 3. Pack oil rub bronze. 3.5 door hinges with 6 holes. Steel construction for use on residential doors. 5/8 radius corners. Mounting screws included. Design House 181,362-10. Pack hinge 3.5 satin nickel. 10 3.5-inch door hinges with 6 holes. Steel construction for use on residential doors. 1/4-inch radius corners. Mounting screws included. Amazon Basics rounded 3.5-inch x 3.5-inch door hinges. 18-pack, matte black finish. Durable steel construction. Pack includes 18 total hinges. Mounting hardware included. Detailed installation instructions included. Amazon Basics Contemporary Madison door lever, passage, satin nickel. Easy installation with standard Phillips head screwdriver. Fully reversible lever, can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Fits all doors 1.3/8 to 1.3/4 in thickness. 6-way adjustable latch to fit any 2.3/8 or 2.3/4 backset. 30-pack rounded door hinges 3.5 x 3.5 inch 58 radius brushed nickel. 30-pack standard 3.5 x 3.5 inch door hinges with 5/8 inch radius corners and 6 screw holes, compatible with the majority of interior residential doors. Made of high-quality steel with a brushed nickel finished coating for rust and corrosion resistance. Removable pins allow for easy installation or scrapping of doors within minutes. Includes necessary mounting screws, no need for extra purchasing. 18-pack matte black door hinges 3.5 x 3.5 inch interior 3/12-inch door hinges for doors, rounded 58 radius corners flat iron hinge 3x3 door hardware controls. Door hinges black matte with rounded corners and 6 holes for front/indoor/outdoor door cabinet, wooden box. Flat black door hinges 3.5-inch includes 108 free screws for quick and easy installation. Matte black door hinges can be rotated 270 degrees. The extra long screws will come in handy especially when replacing existing hardware using the same hole pattern. 18-pack nickel door hinges brushed nickel 312 interior door hinges satin nickel 3. Brushed nickel hinges 3.5 rounded corners with 6 holes for front door cabinet, wooden box. Plain bearing hinges is including 18 free screws for quick and easy installation. It can be rotated 270 degrees. The extra long screws will come in handy especially when replacing existing hardware using the same hole pattern. 30-pack nickel door hinges, satin nickel 3.5 x 3.5 inch interior 3/12-inch door hinges, brushed nickel rounded 58 radius corners, iron Bifold silver residential hinges for doors hardware controls. Nickel door hinges 3.5 rounded corners with 6 holes for front door cabinet, wooden box. Plain bearing hinges is including 108 free screws for quick and easy installation. It can be rotated 270 degrees. The extra long screws will come in handy specially when replacing existing hardware using the same hole pattern.